Reece channel. My name is Drizzle, this is Chantal, and this is Leah.
Welcome back to Eats and Treats with the Reece Girls. And today we're making the trending baked feta pasta.
So what you need is the grape tomatoes, salt, you need olive oil, fusilli pasta, but you can use any type of pasta you like. This is pepper flakes, you need feta cheese, and garlic.
Some chopped garlic. So to start off, you're going to pour your grape tomatoes in the pan.
So Jasmine's going to pour it.
Wow.
Great job.
Good job.
So you just need a generous amount.
Next, you're going to put your cheese in. So we're going to put the cheese in.
Cheese.
So we finished putting in the feta cheese. So now we're going to start adding in the chopped garlic. So
I'm trying to spread it evenly throughout.
So after she is done that, you're going to add your olive oil in. So Chantal's going to pour in the olive oil.
What you have to do is pour a generous amount, not the whole thing. We have a good amount in here. So I'm going to spread that over.
We are preheating our ovens, so while you're doing this, you should also preheat your oven to 400 degrees. So now we're going to pour in the salt and the crushed red peppers. So you don't want to put too much salt, you just want to put a very little bit of salt. So we're just going to sprinkle it on.
I couldn't see anything.
Thanks. That's good. So now we're going to add the crushed red pepper flakes. You can use black pepper if you want. So I'm actually going to put some in my hand. Ooh, my gosh. It went in. So kind of sprinkle it around. All of it.
So pour a generous amount to your liking.
So I think that's good.
Oh my, it tastes so good.
Looks
I didn't eat it.
So we have already preheated the oven to 400 degrees. So now we're going to pop this in for 40 minutes. And when it's 20 minutes is left, we're going to boil the water. We have the pot here waiting, filled with water. So we're going to boil that and we're going to add salt. And then we're going to put the pasta to cook. And then it'll be ready by that time. So we'll pull it out.
Yeah. You can choose whatever pasta you want. We chose this one, but you can choose whatever pasta you like.
So yeah, I'm going to pop it in now. So now I'll be pouring the pasta.
So now we're going to put the spinach in. And we're going to put it back in the oven now. Like that. So it's now just being there for 5 minutes, and then we're going to take it out again.
make feta pasta. And make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to check out our last video. So we added some spinach in to make it have a little bit of a pop of color. So as you guys can see, it looks really good. So make sure you guys try this out. And don't forget to check out our last video. So now we're going to try it.
Let's dig in. Trying to get everything in this plate.
Are you guys ready? Cheers
Cheers
from the
to
Reece
Reece
girls. It tastes really good. So thank you guys for watching. We love you guys. Bye.